How quickly will my home sell is a question we get asked all the time from sellers. I get it. The market climate is what's actually going to determine how quickly your darling home will sell. I'm Deborah Darling, owner of Find a Darling Home. How long will your Southeast Michigan home take to sell? In a hot market where there is limited inventory, meaning there are more buyers than homes to purchase, you can sometimes expect your home to sell in just a few days. Although I highly recommend allowing the home to get proper marketing time so you can receive the most amount of offers with the very best terms. Anytime someone tells me they sold their home in just one day, I always kind of shake my head because I know that means they left money on the table. It's a little different than that with everything that's going on in the market. Because of the circumstances of our economy, you might want to look at offers as they come in. But again, the market climate and what's happening with interest rates always determines if you should allow more marketing time. If there are more homes on the market than buyers, then you can expect a longer time for the home to sell. We can discuss the timing and how quickly we think your home will sell when we meet with you. It's really important to look at absorption rate. In terms of pricing, absorption rate is a term most commonly used in the real estate market to evaluate the rate at which homes are sold. In a specific market in a given time, it is calculated by taking the average number of sales per month divided by the total numbers of available homes. A seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals more than 20%, and a buyer's market that's lower than 15%. I personally believe that those numbers are a bit too broad. Right now in today's market, if we see a home take longer than 15 to 35 days to sell, then it usually means that it's overpriced. Call me today, get an accurate market valuation that takes these factors along with the conditions of your home and any improvements you have made into account. Our goal is to market your home in the most effective way possible, getting you the best terms for your darling home. As always, Deborah Lee Darling of Find a Darling Home, where your journey to finding your darling home begins.